Hey guys, this might be the quickest empties ever because we barely used anything last month, but I really need, I don't know, it's so hard because I've got so many new products I want to try, but then I've got so many products that need to be used up. So I feel like next month, January, I feel like for the whole month, I'm not gonna use anything new. I feel like I'm gonna just try and use up some stuff. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. But the first thing we did was the vanilla caramel candle from La Bang Body. Oh, I really love this. This smells so good. I do really enjoy their candles. I feel like they smell really, really nice and they last such a long time. Really need to start using more of my candles up. But anyway, that was our first empty. Then I used up the Bouncing Santa Watermelon Shower Jelly from Lush. This took me forever to use up. It smelled really, really nice though. And I'm starting to like shower jellies a little bit more. They take forever to use up, which is probably good if like you don't have as many products as I do. But yeah, loved that. So that's all done now. And then the last thing I used up was the Milkshake Argan Deep Treatment. I actually really, really enjoyed this. This is for your hair. It smells really nice for one. But it's just like super like conditioning. I just see if it says what it does. It says a specific formula for all hair types that nourishes their hair deeply, removing frizz. It seals the hair cuticle, giving softness, shine, and manageability, protecting hair color. So yeah, I do really, really like this. I used it about like once a week or once every 2 weeks. But yeah, I just like took a bit, coated my hair in it, left it sitting for like a couple of minutes, and then rinsed it out while I was in the shower. And yeah, this is something that I would really like to repurchase at some point. I won't yet because I've still got quite a few like hair masks and things to use up, but when they're done I will be repurchasing this baby. Yeah, that was everything we used up this month, so not a very successful month in the empties department, but progress is progress, I guess. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.